How to replace a lost U.S. driver's license fast. Losing your U.S. driver's license can be stressful, but replacing it is usually simple if you follow the correct steps. Since driver's licenses are issued by individual states rather than the federal government, the exact process depends on the state that originally issued your license. In most cases, you can request a replacement through your state's Department of Motor Vehicles or DMV website, by mail, or by visiting a local office in person. Acting quickly is important, especially if you think your license may have been stolen because it contains personal information that could be used for identity theft. Before applying for a replacement, it's a good idea to retrace your steps and make sure the license is truly lost. If you suspect it was stolen, consider filing a police report to protect yourself and create a record of the incident. This step is not always required, but it can be helpful if someone attempts to misuse your identity. Once you're ready to replace it, visit your state DMV's official website to check eligibility for online replacement. Many states allow online applications as long as your name and address haven't changed and your license is still valid and not suspended. If you choose to apply online, you'll typically enter your personal details such as your full name, date of birth, address, and sometimes your social security number or driver's license number. You will also pay a replacement fee, which usually ranges from about $10 to $30 depending on the state. If online service isn't available, you can apply by mail or visit a DMV office. An in-person visit may require you to show proof of identity, proof of residency, and your social security number. After submitting your application and payment, many states issue a temporary paper license that you can use while waiting for the permanent card. Your new license will usually arrive by mail within 2 to 6 weeks. Until then, keep the temporary document with you when driving. Replacing a lost license is mostly routine, and following your state's instructions carefully will help you get back on the road quickly and legally.
Thanks for watching.